Parking lot. Parking lot. Roundabout. Roundabout. Truck rollover warning for sharp curve alias. Truck rollover warning for sharp curve alias. Share the road with bicycle sign. Share the road with bicycle sign. Added lane from left. Added lane from left. No passing sign. No passing sign. Pedestrians only. Pedestrians only. Cyclists only. Cyclists only. Buses only. Buses only. Speed limit. Speed limit. Height restriction. Height restriction. Maximum speed is 30 km/h. Maximum speed is 30 km/h. No overtaking. No overtaking. No parking. No parking. Stop. Stop. Road work. Road work. Hump. Hump. Uneven road. Uneven road. Wild animals. Wild animals. Crossroads ahead. Crossroads ahead. End or dual carriageway. End or dual carriageway. Level crossing with a gate or barrier. Level crossing with a gate or barrier. Agricultural vehicles. Agricultural vehicles. Level crossing without a gate or barrier. Level crossing without a gate or barrier. 100 meters to the next exit. 100 meters to the next exit. 200 meters to the next exit. 200 meters to the next exit. 300 meters to the next exit. 300 meters to the next exit. Dead end street. Dead end street. Dangerous corner ahead. Dangerous corner ahead. Dangerous bend ahead. Dangerous bend ahead. Series of dangerous corners ahead. Series of dangerous corners ahead. Series of dangerous bends ahead. Series of dangerous bends ahead. Road divides ahead. Road divides ahead. Petrol pump. Petrol pump. First aid post. First aid post. Hospital. Hospital. Public telephone. Public telephone. Resting place. Resting place. Parking both side. Parking both side. Parking permitted. Parking permitted. Clearway. Clearway. Side winds. Side winds. Right bend straight on. Right bend straight on. Queues likely. Queues likely. Two-way traffic crossing. Two-way traffic crossing. 3 lanes of traffic 2 with 1 against. 3 lanes of traffic 2 with 1 against. 3 lanes of traffic 1 with 2 against. 3 lanes of traffic 1 with 2 against. Taxi stand. Taxi stand. Mass limit. Mass limit. Axle load limit. Axle load limit. Traffic lights out. Traffic lights out. Staggered crossroad left bend. Staggered crossroad left bend. Staggered crossroad right bend. Staggered crossroad right bend. Red light. Red light. Yellow light. Yellow light. Green light. Green light. Crossroads on dual quay. Crossroads on dual quay. Crossroads major road ahead. Crossroads major road ahead. Junction with major road at sharp corner left. Junction with major road at sharp corner left. Junction with major road at sharp corner right. Junction with major road at sharp corner right. Turn left ahead. Turn left ahead. Turn right ahead. Turn right ahead. Keep left. Keep left. Keep right. Keep right. Pass either side. Pass either side. Traffic signs ahead. Traffic signs ahead. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Pedestrian crossing ahead. School crossing. School crossing. Give way. Give way. Staggered junction. Staggered junction. Junction on a bend. Junction on a bend. Bends to left. Bends to left. Bends to right. Bends to right. Gate ahead. Gate ahead. Cattle grid ahead. Cattle grid ahead. Ford. Ford. No goods vehicles overturns. No goods vehicles overturns. Unprotected quay, canal, or river ahead. Unprotected quay, canal, or river ahead. Parking prohibited. Parking prohibited. Designated rank for taxis. Designated rank for taxis. Maximum permitted weight is 3 tons. Maximum permitted weight is 3 tons. Tram lane on right. Tram lane on right. Pedestrianized street. Pedestrianized street. Rural speed limit. Rural speed limit. Prohibited number of axles. Prohibited number of axles. Straight ahead only. Straight ahead only. Turn left only. Turn left only. Turn right only. Turn right only. No waiting. No waiting. No stopping. No stopping. No entry. No entry. No U-turn. No U-turn. No motor vehicles. No motor vehicles. No cycling. No cycling. No blowing of horn. No blowing of horn. Single chevron left. Single chevron left. Single chevron right. Single chevron right. Multiple chevrons to left. Multiple chevrons to left. Multiple chevrons to right. Multiple chevrons to right. Multiple chevrons 3 left. Multiple chevrons 3 left. Multiple chevrons 3 right. Multiple chevrons 3 right. Fire station. Fire station. Prohibited axles in right-hand lane. Prohibited axles in right-hand lane. 2 junctions on left. 2 junctions on left. 2 junctions on right. 2 junctions on right. Side road on outside of bend left. Side road on outside of bend left. Side road on outside of bend right. Side road on outside of bend right. Side road on inside of bend left. Side road on inside of bend left. Side road on inside of bend right. Side road on inside of bend right. Route for pedal cycles and pedestrians. Route for pedal cycles and pedestrians. Segregated pedal cycle and pedestrian route. Segregated pedal cycle and pedestrian route. Height restrictions. Height restrictions. Maximum gross weight. Maximum gross weight. Maximum vehicle width. Maximum vehicle width. Maximum vehicle length. Maximum vehicle length. Near side lane of 2 closed. Near side lane of 2 closed. Offside lane closed ahead. Offside lane closed ahead. Traffic should cross back to the left-hand lane ahead. Traffic should cross back to the left-hand lane ahead. Traffic should cross out to the right-hand lane ahead. Traffic should cross out to the right-hand lane ahead. Dual carriageway ends. Dual carriageway ends. Two-way traffic ahead. Two-way traffic ahead. Steep descent ahead. Steep descent ahead. Steep ascent ahead. Steep ascent ahead. Overhead electric cables. Overhead electric cables. Whitflow bus and cycle lane ahead on left. Whitflow bus and cycle lane ahead on left. Bus and cycle lane ahead on right. Bus and cycle lane ahead on right. Whitflow bus and cycle lane on left. Whitflow bus and cycle lane on left. Whitflow bus and cycle lane on right. Whitflow bus and cycle lane on right. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. Road narrows on left. Road narrows on left. Road narrows on right. Road narrows on right. Road narrows on both sides. Road narrows on both sides. Hump bridge. Hump bridge. Opening or swing bridge. Opening or swing bridge. Loose chippings. Loose chippings. Warning. Warning. Give priority to vehicles from opposite direction. Give priority to vehicles from opposite direction. Junction ahead with roads of lesser importance. Junction ahead with roads of lesser importance. T-junction with dual carriageway ahead. T-junction with dual carriageway ahead. Traffic merging from the left. Traffic merging from the left. Traffic merging diverging ahead. Traffic merging diverging ahead. Roundabout ahead. Roundabout ahead. Mini roundabout ahead. Mini roundabout ahead. T-junction left ahead. T-junction left ahead. T-junction right ahead. T-junction right ahead. Side road left ahead. Side road left ahead. Side road right ahead. Side road right ahead. Traffic merges from the left. Traffic merges from the left. Traffic merges from the right. Traffic merges from the right. Overhead electrical cables. Overhead electrical cables. Risk of grounding. Risk of grounding. Ford. Ford. Slippery for cyclists. Slippery for cyclists. Children crossing. Children crossing. Road depression. Road depression. Humpback bridge. Humpback bridge. No entry ahead. No entry ahead. No right turn. No right turn. No left turn. No left turn. Accompanied horses and ponies ahead. Accompanied horses and ponies ahead. Possibility of cattle or farm animals ahead. Possibility of cattle or farm animals ahead. Possibility of sheep ahead. Possibility of sheep ahead. Lane lost 2 to 1 lane left. Lane lost 2 to 1 lane left. Start of passing lane. Start of passing lane. 1 lane section. 1 lane section. 2 lane section. 2 lane section. Start of climbing lane. Start of climbing lane. Tunnel ahead. Tunnel ahead. Entry to motorway. Entry to motorway. Motorway ends 500 meters ahead. Motorway ends 500 meters ahead. Danger of falling rocks ahead. Danger of falling rocks ahead. Tramway crossing ahead. Tramway crossing ahead.
If you found this video interesting, then please visit our channel, as there are more tutorial videos to help you improve your driving. If you would like to help us make new videos, then please consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching.